Third year English, lecture number 63, topic The Bear, play number 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Third year class, students, how are you all? I hope you all fine with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear students, welcome in my class, and let's start with our today's topic. As you know that we started yesterday or day before yesterday the play number 1, The Bear, and we saw that Papa's husband, he had died 7 months before, and she is still mourning on his death. And we can see that Simonov, who is a debtor, and he is a landlord, you can say, and beta he had given a debt of 1200 rubles to Papa's husband, and now he has come forcefully to take back her loan from Papova. Okay, beta, let's see what is going on. Okay, Papova, 1200, and what was my husband in debt to you for? Okay, ठीक है, अच्छा इतनी रकम है. So why he was and what was my husband in debt to you for, mean to say what did he take from you. ठीक है, उसने आपसे क्या लिया था कि उन पे इतना कर्जा हो गया. Smirnov, he used to buy oats from me. So oats mean ये जो बेटा एनिमल ये घोड़े के लिए जो होता है चारा वगैरह, ठीक है, it is called oats. तो उसको कहते हैं कि he used to buy oats from me. Okay, Popova, signing, सांस आह भरते हुए, to Luca. So don't you forget, Luca, to give Chobby an extra feed of oats. कहते तुम भूले तो नहीं है ना कि you have to give extra feed of oats to Toby, as you know that Toby was the favorite horse of Papa's husband, and she also takes care a lot of that horse. Exit Luca. If Nicole Mihevich died in debt to you, then I shall certainly pay you. But you must excuse me today, as I haven't any spare cash. Now beta, what is she saying? That if my husband, he had to pay you, so I will certainly pay to you, but you must excuse me today, as I haven't any spare cash. She is saying that she don't have any spare cash, so she won't be able to return his debt today. The day after tomorrow, my steward will be back from town, and I will give him instructions to settle your account, but at the moment I cannot do as you wish. So she said that my steward, he is not here and he has gone somewhere, so when he will return day after tomorrow, I will be able to settle your account. Okay, moreover, it's exactly 7 months today since the death of my husband, and I am in a state of mind which absolutely prevents me from giving money matters my attention. Now beta, she has added something more, and her this sentence, it provoked Simonov, and he made laugh of Papava, that she is in a state of mind. State of mind होता है कि एक ऐसी ज़हनी कैफियत में है that she is unable to pay any attention towards any matters, like you can say money matters or anything else. Simonov, and I am in state of mind which if I don't pay the interest due to tomorrow, will force me to make a graceful exit from this life. Feet first, they will take my estate. So beta, he was also very worried, and he requested to Popova that if I am also in a state of mind, because if I won't return just due tomorrow, will force me to make a graceful exit. So what will they do? They will make me exit from my estate. Okay, they will take my property. Clear beta? Okay, Popova, you'll have your money the day after tomorrow. वो कहती है कि आई हैव आस्क्ड यू दैट यू विल फाइंड योर मनी डे आफ्टर टुमारो, परसों तुम्हें रकम मिल जाएगी. Simon, I don't want the money the day after tomorrow, I want it today. Papova, you must excuse me, I can't pay you. Simon, and I can't wait till after tomorrow. Now she is insisting that she won't pay him, and he is insisting that he would take it today. Okay, so beta, Papova, well, what can I do if I haven't money now? Now beta, she has also very reasonable question, that if you don't have anything right now, so what will you do? So she is asking Simonov that, well, what can I do if I haven't money now? Simonov, you mean to say you can't pay me? Papova, I can't. Simonov, is that the last word you have got to say? कहते कि ये आखिरी तुम्हारे वर्ड्स हैं. लास्ट टाइम तुमने कहा है. Okay. Yes, the last word. Simenov. The last words, absolutely your last. Absolutely. No, beta. He is insisting again and again her that is this your last word? Is this your last word? So, beta, she has said him that she hadn't any money now. So, it was very graceful thing on the part of Simonov that he should left right now. But beta, he insisted because he also needed money. So, let's see what happens next. Okay, beta. Simonov, thank you so much. I'll make a note of it. Shrugs his shoulder. And then people want me to keep calm. I meet a man on the road and he asks me, why are you always so angry? Grigory Stefanovich, now beta, he is, you can say, very, you can say कि हम इसको कह सकते हैं बहुत नाराज़ हो रहा है ना. He is very angry. He is getting angry on the words of Popova that then people say me that why are you always angry? Mean to say people they don't follow my instructions. They don't, you can say, return my money. That's why I am so angry. But how on earth can I not get angry? I want the money desperately. Desperately, in a desperate condition, in a dismay, in a worry. ठीक है, कहता है मुझे बहुत परेशानी है and I need money right now. And I rode out yesterday early in the morning and called on all my debtors and not a single one of them paid up. So beta, he is continuously asking for his debt, but nobody is ready to return him his debts. That's why beta, he is so angry. He's getting angry on Popova and he's insisting to get the money right now. Okay, I was just about dead, beat after it all, slept goodness knows where, in some inn kept by a Jew with a vodka barrel by my head. So beta, he is telling also an incident to Popova that one day a Jew, who had a vodka, vodka is the name of you can say wine, and barrel क्या होता है बेटा, उसका जो बट होता है, ठीक है ना, कि जो उसका आप कह लें उसका मुंह कह लें या ऊपर से जो उसका कैप कह लें, ठीक है. सो कहते हैं कि kept by Jew with a vodka barrel by my head. So he puts he threw the vodka barrel on the head of Simonov. उसने उसका vodka barrel जो था बेटा उसके सर पे दे मारा. Okay, and at last I get here 70 versts from home and hope to get something, and I am received by you with a state of mind. How shouldn't I get angry? Now beta, he is saying that at last I get here 70 versts. वर्स पे इट्स नेम ऑफ मेजरमेंट, लाइक हमारे यहाँ पे मेजरमेंट होती हैं, मीटर है, ठीक है, या फीट है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ मेजरमेंट एंड इट इज़ यू कैन से मेजरमेंट ऑफ फ्रांस. सो ही सेज दैट, और ये बेटा मेजरमेंट है कि जो फासला नापने के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है ना, ठीक है, टू मेजर द डिस्टेंसेस. Okay, at last I get here 70 versts from home and hope to get something. और मैं इस उम्मीद में हूँ कि शायद मे बी आई गेट समथिंग एंड आई एम रिसीव्ड बाई यू with a state of mind. Now, I am received by you woman, and who is in a state of mind. Okay, so how shouldn't I get angry? That he is quite right. That why, how shouldn't I get angry that I have come from by, you can say, passing a long distance, and now I'm in front of you who is in a state of mind. So beta, he's saying that what would I do? Why shouldn't I get angry? So this was Simonov's condition, and Popova, she was also in some condition that she had not any money. Her steward was out of town, and Simonov, he got the money urgently on urgent basis. So beta, they quarrel, they dispute. It will remain throughout the whole play, and we will see that what happens next or what happens at the end of the play, because this play is gonna very humorous and funny, and I hope that you will understand it and you will enjoy it a lot. Okay beta, till next day's lecture, and stay blessed. And beta, one thing that I want to say, that you have to read the text very much carefully, because you have to prepare your plays and your show stories for two purposes. That one of them is that you have to answer the questions asked by the you can examine that. And this question from the play, it's often asked to draw a character sketch of Popova, draw a character sketch of Simonov. So beta, you have to read their comments, their dialogues, and you can say the qualities and bad qualities of these characters. So beta, while reading this play, be very much conscious, okay? So because you are preparing this for your exams, and beta, you have to also attempt this for reference to the context. So reference, you have to give background also. So read the text again and again, so that you may understand where are the lines from which part of the which part the lines have been taken, ठीक है? क्योंकि आपको बेटा समझ आनी चाहिए ना, आपको याद होना चाहिए कि लाइंस जो है किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोली गई हैं, who has spoken these lines, किसने ये लाइंस बोली हैं. So for this purpose you have to read the text again and again. So बेटा, till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.